Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to change age on TikTok. So let's head over to your TikTok application first. Once it's there, head over to your profile. Now go to the three lines on the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Now go to account, and in here go to account information. And here you'll find an option to change your age. So if you can't do it, you can just go to the report a problem and then go to account and profile, then go to editing profile, and then go to other, and here tap on no and go to need more help. I'll select account. Now write I want to change my age, and TikTok will reply you shortly. So you have to go to their form and select general account inquiry as the topic and choose the age verification as the category and clearly describe the which issue you have found. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.